comes with MySQL Workbench, which I'll use at the end of this tutorial a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch to SQL here with \SQL, and then let's connect with \connect, and we're going to pass in the credentials on the right in the following format. We'll say user password at host port, right? Just like that. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's grab user :password at host, and there are the databases in Avon already. And we could actually use one of these. Say we wanted to use that Sequila database, and then we can ask it to show us the tables in that database. And there's the tables. We could even select everything from one of those tables. Just pick the first data. Okay, so we want to create our own database. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to do that with, again, Python in VS Code. So I'm going to bring up VS Code. And I already have some SQL scripts ready to go. We're going to need some SQL to run against the server to create the database, create the table in the database, and then populate the table with data. So insert data. So I already have those two SQL scripts. We're going to create a Python file to actually create the database. And this is housing data from Zillow. And I have another video where I show how I created these SQL scripts from a CSV file, a data set that I downloaded from Zillow. So you're welcome to watch that video if you like. So let's go ahead and open Git Bash and create a Python file here. We're going to call it execute scripts. Okay. And we are going to need a package called MySQL connector. So let's check our package manager, pip list, and this MySQL connector Python package. So if you don't have that installed, go ahead and run pip install MySQL connector Python. All right, and that should install that package, and we're ready to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and import our package first, the MySQL connector. So let's go import MySQL.